Hey everyone, if you want to update your email address but are not sure how to do it, we will show you step by step how to change your email address safely and easily. This way, you can keep your account information up to date. We will explain how to change your email address to another email address. A Yahoo email address is a free personal email account ending with yahoo.com, provided by Yahoo Mail. It gives you 1 terabyte of storage, spam protection, and works with Yahoo News and Finance. You can use it through mail.yahoo.com, mobile apps, or third-party email apps. The purpose of a Yahoo Mail address is to give you a unique and secure way to send and receive emails. With it, we can communicate online, sign up for services, use WhatsApp, and organize personal or work emails in one place. Now let's walk through how to change your email address to another email address. No. Let's start. First, open your browser. Go to yahoo.com. When the page opens, look at the top corner where your email is shown. You will see it as an envelope icon. Click on this. If you want to change your email to another account, go to the top corner where your mini profile icon is. You might see a letter, like J, or whatever name you used. At the bottom, you will see Add or Switch Accounts. Click Add or Switch Accounts. Once you click it, you go back to your mini profile and then add an account. Now you can add a new account. Log in with your email and password, then click Next. Let's take this as an example. Click Next and enter your password. Click Next. Now you are logged into your account. You just need to confirm it by email or phone number, and that's it. Now you know how to change your email address or set up a new one linked to your account. Remember to update your contact information so people can reach you. This way, they can reach you at your new email.